Welcome to GK Quiz Prime Time. In June 2026, at which port did Prime Minister Narendra Modi commission three indigenous naval ships INS Dunagiri, INS Sanshodak, and INS Agrai into the Indian Navy? Right answer is option B, Shyama Prasad Mukherjee Port, Kolkata. According to the State of World Fisheries and Aquaculture 2026 report, what position did India occupy globally in aquatic animal production in 2024? Right answer is option B, second position. In June 2026, which Nobel Prize winning author unveiled their novel titled Miss Lambert Steps Aboard Danger? Right answer is option A, Kazu Ishiguro. Which state or union territory approved the formation of the Snow Leopard and High Altitude Nature Conservation Society in June 2026? Correct answer is option C, Ladakh. In June 2026, the central government approved the revival of the century old, long pending Kadian Bees new rail line project at a cost of Rs 1,400 crore. In which state is this railway project located? Right answer is option B, Punjab. To enhance global water and food security through satellite data, in which year are India's ISRO and France's CNES jointly scheduled to launch the Trishna satellite? Right answer is option B, 2027. When was World Refugee Day observed in 2026? Correct answer is option C, 20th June. Which declaration was adopted by 15 countries to combat illegal fishing during the 11th Our Ocean Conference held in Kenya in June 2026? Right answer is option B, Mombasa Declaration. In June 2026, at which Indian Institute of Technology did the Ministry of Defense grant in principle approval for establishing a state of the art military drone technology center with a budget of Rs 500 crore? Correct answer is option C, IIT Kanpur. In June 2026, where did India successfully test its heaviest indigenous 120 vehicle mounted mortar system Garudastra? Correct answer is option A, Infantry School, Mau, Madhya Pradesh. In June 2026, the Indian Coast Guard inducted its first indigenously built air cushion vehicle or hovercraft into its fleet in Goa. What was the name of this vessel? Right answer is option B, H561. In June 2026, where did Union Home Minister Amit Shah launch the Ambabai Temple development project at the historic Mahalakshmi Temple? Right answer is option B, Kolhapur, Maharashtra. Where was the meeting of the BRICS heads of space agencies held under India's chairmanship in June 2026? Right answer is option B, Bengaluru. Where did the Ministry of Textiles inaugurate the 2 day departmental summit titled Textiles for Global Markets in June 2026? Correct answer is option C, New Delhi. According to a global survey conducted by attractiontickets.com, which Indian airport was declared the world's third most family friendly airport? Right answer is option B, Kempegowda International Airport, Bengaluru. According to the 8th edition of the Trade Watch Quarterly released by Niti Aayog, India's total trade in goods and services reached what level during the financial year 2025-26? Right answer is option C, 1.84 trillion US dollars. From which international airport did Union Civil Aviation Minister K. Ram Mohan Naidu inaugurate the country's first hub and spoke flight in June 2026? Correct answer is option B, Lal Bahadur Shastri International Airport, Varanasi. Who was elected as the Prime Minister of Ethiopia for a second consecutive term in June 2026? Correct answer is option A, Abiy Ahmed Ali. According to the 2025 Burgundy Private Hurun India 500 report, which company was identified as India's most valuable company? Correct answer is option C, Reliance Industries. Through which pass did the first batch of the Kailash Mansarovar Yatra 2026 enter China's Tibet Autonomous Region in June 2026? Right answer is option B, Natula Pass. In June 2026, who resigned from the post of Prime Minister of Britain? Right answer is option C, Keir Starmer. In June 2026, where did Union Home and Cooperation Minister Amit Shah inaugurate the 26th All India Fingerprint Conference? Correct answer is option B, New Delhi. What was the venue for the 11th BRICS Energy Ministers meeting held on June 25 to 26, 2026 during India's BRICS presidency? Correct answer is option C, Gurugram, Haryana. Which university in India became the first university to receive four international ISO certifications simultaneously from the Bureau of Indian Standards? Correct answer is option A, Osmania University, Telangana. Where has India's first coal to ammonium nitrate project been launched? Correct answer is option D, Lakhanpur, Odisha. In June 2026, which ministry approved financial assistance of Rs 150 crore for India's first private hybrid 2G ethanol project located in Dhanaura, Uttar Pradesh? Right answer is option A, Ministry of Petroleum and Natural Gas. Who authored the book VIP Culture in India, Power, Privilege, and the Distance from Democracy, which was launched in New Delhi by the Vice President C.P. Radhakrishnan in June 2026. Correct answer is option B, Nabam Rebia and Sandeep Kumar. Which Indian batsman holds the world record for the fastest half century scored off just 11 balls in the history of List A cricket? Correct answer is option D, Vaibhav Suryavanshi. In June 2026, in which city did Union Minister Amit Shah launch the NAFEX.in auction portal and the NAFED Kalyan Scholarship? Correct answer is option A, New Delhi. Which state's traditional Jastan Patari handicraft was awarded the geographical indication tag in June 2026? Correct answer is option B, Gujarat. Which company launched India's first Satvik index known as the BSE Satvik 100 in June 2026? Correct answer is option C, BSE Index Services Private Limited. Who launched the Setu portal on the Umang platform to eliminate the mandatory requirement of a domicile certificate for scholarship applications by scheduled caste and other backward class students? Right answer is option D, Department of Social Justice and Empowerment. The Supreme Court has declared the right to walk on safe and demarcated pavements as a fundamental right under which provisions of the Indian Constitution? Right answer is option A, Articles 19 1D and 21. Which edition of Pragati was held in June 2026 under the chairmanship of Prime Minister Narendra Modi, during which critical infrastructure and national health programs were reviewed? Correct answer is option B, 52nd edition. In June 2026, where did Union Minister Manohar Lal Khattar inaugurate Bharat BuildCon 2026, which was organized around the theme One Nation, One Exhibition? Correct answer is option C, New Delhi. In June 2026, how many new Namo cities did the Union Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs approve for development in the National Capital Region? Correct answer is option D, 4 cities. Which documentary film received the prestigious Golden Conch Award for Best Documentary at the 19th Mumbai International Film Festival 2026? Right answer is option A, Silver. What loan amount did the World Bank approve in June 2026 under the Jal Sanrakshit Haryana project, which aims to make Haryana self reliant in the water sector? Correct answer is option B, rupees 4,000 crore. With which company did Punjab National Bank partner to launch India's first biodegradable co branded twin credit card? Right answer is option D, Zaggle Prepaid Ocean Services Limited. Who authored the book IIT, The Story of India's Most Prestigious Educational Ecosystem, which was launched by Lok Sabha Speaker Om Birla in June 2026? Right answer is option C, Prabhat Kumar. Where will the country's first Transport Logistics Research Center be established by the National Highways Authority of India? Right answer is option A, New Delhi. In June 2026, which US led agreement did the European Union join to strengthen artificial intelligence supply chains? Correct answer is option C, Pax Silica. Who was elected as the new president of Colombia in June 2026? Right answer is option B, Abelardo della Espriella. Which country honored Prime Minister Narendra Modi with its highest civilian award, the Guardian of the Blue Horizon, in June 2026? Correct answer is option D, Seychelles. What was India's rank in the United Nations Sustainable Development Goals Index 2026? Correct answer is option A, 94th rank. Who was honored with the 71st International Meteorological Organization Prize by the World Meteorological Organization in June 2026? Right answer is option C, Dr. Florence Rabier. In June 2026, in which country was the world's tallest 26-meter statue of Lionel Messi unveiled? Correct answer is option C, Argentina. In which state did scientists discover a new species of tiger moth named Antaram idukki in June 2026? Correct answer is option B, Kerala. Who has been appointed as India's next ambassador to the African nation of the Republic of Cabo Verde, effective from June 2026? Right answer is option A, Prem Chand. Which mission did India launch to evacuate its citizens stranded in Venezuela following the devastating earthquake in June 2026? Right answer is option B, Operation Amistad. Stay updated, stay ahead. Subscribe for more current affairs and competitive exam prep.